You're my best friend.
Look at.
I'll be in fools drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movie.
Hi, thanks for joining Friends Test Kitchen. We're so glad you're here. We are continuing our cooking journey through Pioneer Woman's new cookbook called The New Frontier. And today we are making shrimp scampi lasagna. Doesn't it sound good? We thought so too. So let's get cooking.
Wait, you forgot it's shrimp scampi lasagna roll-ups, not the regular lasagna. We're rolling these babies up. First up, we had to prepare our lasagna. We went ahead and boiled those and set it aside so that when we're ready, we can use it. So the next step, get our shrimps prepped. It's a little butter, a little olive oil. We're gonna add some onions, a lot of garlic, some crushed pepper.
It's a spice facial.
We have ourselves some deveined and peeled shrimp. We're just gonna toss that right in. Okay, so we're gonna add in a little lemon juice. And you're supposed to use either white wine or vegetable broth, but I only have chicken, so that's what I'm doing. And then a little salt and pepper. We're gonna take our shrimp out and put it in a bowl, and we're gonna chop these up. Make sure you don't burn yourself, they're a little hot.
All right. Guys, not too bad. Ow! Except for the middle part. They're like angry shrimp.
Okay, part 2 of the filling.
Cream cheese, and it said whole milk ricotta cheese, so don't even think about skimping on this. Add Parmigiana, egg. Part 3,
The sauce.
half a stick of butter.
Half a stick of butter. Garlic.
So I see Pioneer Women's style of cooking to be comforting and fearless. She does not care, do not judge, she's gonna make it good. You want good food? This is how you make good food.
Now we're gonna add our flour. I'm gonna add in whole milk.
Seems like a lot.
Yes. Look, look, look. Followed up by a whole cup of heavy cream.
Ooh. So mine's whole milk. I don't know if it's gonna thicken as well, so I'm just gonna add half a cup. I'm just worried about runny sauce. I don't want it to be soup.
Well, you can always add more flour.
Oh, I was just gonna add more cream cheese and mozzarella cheese.
We're gonna assemble everything, but we have to put some sauce into our baking dish. This is going to just hug all of your pasta and make it into a yummy, yummy dish.
Oh, I thought it was so it wouldn't stick.
That too, but I like my description better.
I do too.
So the fun part, we are going to put our filling, our shrimp and cheese filling, onto each of our lasagna rolls, and then we're gonna roll it all up, and then we're gonna put it into our pan.
So I don't know if I'm just really smart or if it was just really obvious. Instead of an inside out dish, this is an outside in of a shrimp scampi. Because it's taking what shrimp scampi is like broken up as pieces, but we're bringing it in, outside in. Okay, I don't have enough for all of these. So this is where I would love to watch her make it because I'm making a good 7 out of the 12 noodles. So how am I so off? Unless you're supposed to make them really thin.
We're gonna stick it in the oven, 375 for 25 minutes until it's bubbling, and then we're gonna put some green parsley just to make it like a little healthier, and then we're gonna serve it up.
Look at that! I got cheese stretch! I reread her instructions and she said for each noodle to put half a cup of the filling in, and I did not have enough. And then when hers were, like when she had spread hers on the noodle. In the picture, it looked like how I did mine. When they showed the picture of the rolled up one, it looked a little thin to me. So I was like, oh, she must have made them thinner and tighter, and that's how she got 12 to even fit in a 9x13 pan. I don't know, roll with it with this one, I guess. I taste everything we put in here. The butter, the cheese, the cream, the shrimp. It's good. And I did the whole like full amount of red peppers, and it's not spicy at all. I think it just adds some flavor, but it's not spicy.
Yes, but don't count the calories because it's gonna scare you.
You should have even
But it is
calories.
so good. I highly recommend you make this. Gina, is this a 1 thumb, 2 thumb, no thumb? What do you think? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Another winner. Ree Drummond is such a fun cook, so relatable, and she, like Gina says, she does not hold back on flavor. I highly recommend you guys make this. Do not skip this recipe. It's in her new cookbook. And make sure you guys hit that bell and subscribe, so we will see you guys next week. Going in.
Yes, please.
Don't have to stop.